In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in Asana. If you're looking to streamline your social media planning and execution, creating an organized content calendar is key, and Asana makes this process seamless and efficient. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll need to create a new project in Asana. On the Asana dashboard, locate and click on the plus new project button. Here you have the option to either start with a blank project or utilize an existing content calendar template. For today's tutorial though, we'll create a new project and name it Social Media Content Calendar. This will serve as your command center, where all your posts will be organized and kept track. When setting up the view, you might want to consider choosing either Calendar View or Board View, as these offer the best visibility for tracking your ongoing activities. Once your project has been set up, it's time to organize by platforms or campaigns. You can use sections in List View or columns in Board View to categorize your tasks. Think about the different social media platforms you're working with, such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, or YouTube. Or perhaps you want to organize your content based on specific campaigns, like a product launch or holiday campaign. Organizing your content this way keeps everything neat and accessible, ensuring you never miss a beat in your scheduling. Next, let's move on to adding content tasks. Each task within your project represents one social media post. Label these tasks with clear, descriptive titles. For instance, Instagram Reel, how to use Asana for Teams. In the task description, you'll want to include all the necessary post details like caption copy, relevant hashtags, links to images or videos, and any notes pertinent to your designers or editors. This comprehensive outline provides everyone involved with the information they need at their fingertips. Now it's time to assign and schedule your posts. Assign tasks to your content creators, designers, or editors, making sure that everyone knows their responsibilities. Set due dates for each stage of the post development, from drafting and approvals to final publication. For optimal clarity, switch to Calendar View to see all your posts lined up by date, which helps in spotting any scheduled overlaps or necessary adjustments. Following this, utilize Asana's subtask feature to break down each post further. Create subtasks like draft caption, design graphic, video, review and approve, and schedule post. Assign these to the appropriate team members to ensure everything is completed on time. The use of subtasks provides clear accountability and keeps everyone aligned with their specific duties. To optimize your workflow further, set up automations, or as Asana calls them, rules. These can be set, for example, to automatically assign tasks to a scheduler when they're moved to ready to publish, or to send reminders when a due date arrives. This automation reduces the need for constant follow-ups, allowing your team to focus more on content creation and publication rather than administrative tasks. Finally, tracking your content's performance